Hello everyone, today I'm starting unit 4 from the learner book for math grade 3. So let's start 3D shapes getting started. Shapes can be grouped using their faces, vertex or edge. Draw arrow to sort these shapes into a group. Some will go into more than one group. So one or more curved surfaces, all faces are rectangular, more than 5 vertex. So let's start. We are making lines. So more than one or more than one curved surfaces, sphere and cylinder. Only these two. It's coming in this group. All faces are rectangular. Cube coming inside this, and also cuboid and blue cube. This one blue. Okay, blue cuboid also coming in this. And what about more than 5? Also the same. More than 5 vertex, cuboid, cube and cuboid also. This is the same. It's coming here. More than 5 vertex, cube, yellow cuboid, blue cuboid, both coming in this. Okay, name 3D shapes that have fewer than 6 vertex. The remaining, what's the remaining here? So you can write here fewer than 6 vertex. All of them you can say cylinder, sphere, triangular base pyramid, square base pyramid. So it's coming. I'm just writing the remaining one name here. Square base pyramid. You can also write cylinder sphere. Okay, inside this. Let's move to the next page. Page number 57. What 3D shapes can you see in the picture? Try creating the shapes with blocks or other objects. Yeah, you can make different like cube, cuboid, different shapes with the help of blocks. So here we can see mostly cube and cuboid, mostly shape. This one cuboid, cube, this all the boxes, this one cuboid. So on the table also, this one. So we can see different cube and cuboid shapes here in this picture, different home items. Unit 4, lesson 4.1, 3D shapes. You will you will have 3D shapes all around you, but don't. Do you know what they are? Do you know what a prism is? Can you find a prism at school and at home? Okay, this one. Let's start. A prism. What is a prism? A prism has two ends. This is the definition. You can say the description of a prism. A prism has two ends that are the same shape and also the same size. And it also has a flat surfaces. It also have flat faces. Okay, which shape are not prism? Here we can find this one, not a prism. A, this this one have flat surface. No, not this. This one C, not prism, not prism. A, C, D is a prism. E is a prism. F, not prism, and G, because it like a cylinder. No, it's not a prism. So A, C, F, and G are not prism. Why? Because they do not they do not all have flat surfaces or faces, and the remaining two, which one? B and D and E. The remaining two ends that are the same shapes and size. Question number 1. Sort these shapes and join them with a line. So let's draw a line. What about box straight edge? Yes. Curve, we don't have a lot of shapes. Also straight edge. This one cylinder, curve edge, and this one also straight edge. Biscuit also straight edge. Cereal also straight edge, and this one curve edge. So now write your own label. Use a different color to draw the lines and sort the shapes in the different way. Sketch 2 or 3D shapes for each of your rules. So you can make here different shapes as you want. I just draw a cube. This is a square, and now we want to draw a cube. Corner with corner. Like this. So it's 3D shape and this one 2D shape. Or making a circle. 2D and 3D shape like this. Let's move to the next page, number 460. Work with a partner. Choose 6 different 3D shape. You can choose the same from the previous page. This one, these shapes, sphere, circle, this sphere, uh, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cuboid, and the square base pyramid. So different shape you can choose from here. Choose any different 3D shape. Decide what criteria you will use to sort your shape using a Venn diagram. Label the circle in the Venn diagram. Draw at the same thing here. You can use two heading curve edge and straight edge for two. And in the curve edge, you write the name here, and the straight edge, you need to write the name here. After this, are there any shapes in the overlap? What is overlap? Overlap means you have the shape down. I'm making a sphere down and I made one more shape on it. So this is called overlap. It means overlap. And just change the color. So down we have a sphere and we make up a cuboid. So this is called overlapping. This is called overlap or overlapping. When you draw the shape here or write the name, then you can write about them. Is there any shape overlap? What's the name there? You need to write on these 2 lines. Let's move to the next page. Choose any 3 shape from below. A cone, cuboid, a cube, cylinder. So different shape you can see here. Write what you would say to describe the shapes. Do not say the name of the shape. Okay, let's write. I'm choosing 1, 2, and 3. So let's write about this shape. A shape that has a curve surface, or you can say and a circular. A shape that has a curved surface and a circular face. Okay, after this, this one about cone. Okay, now I'm writing about another shape. A shape that six faces, and same like this I'm writing shape that has six square faces. So sketch the shape you have described. So the first one, the shape I described, it's the cone. And the second one, cuboid. And the third, it's a cube. So cube, cuboid, this cube, cuboid, and cone. So these are the description about these three shapes. Let's move to the next page, number 62. Look at these 3D shapes. Which 3D shape matches each clue? So a shape that has faces that are triangular, that are so triangles and a square. We have triangle there and a square. This one, triangle all around and base square. So it's named square-based pyramid. So we write here square based pyramid. A shape that has no vertex. It's a circle, a sphere. A shape that has eight faces. It's this one, hexagon, hexagonal prism. You can also say a shape that has six faces. It's a cuboid. And shape that has a curved surface and a circular face. It's a cone. Write a clue for two different 3D shapes. So give your clue to your partner. Can you identify the shape? Okay. So we can write about more shapes like I'm using triangular base prism, pyramid, and one more. So you can write here the name, identify the shape. There are different 3D shapes. You can make a triangular prism, hexagonal prism, uh, star prism, pentagonal prism, a lot of star pyramid or pyramid, 3D pyramid, different. So you can make the shape here for other 3D shapes. Put a ring around the prism. Let us do it. This one, a prism, yes. Flat surfaces, this no, this one flat. surfaces. This one also. Cylinder, sphere, not coming in the prism. And this one also. This one also. Flat surfaces, same size and shape. You can say also. This also. This one, and this one. And these three, no, not flat surfaces. We can say. So these are the prism which I circled. Let's move to the next page. Page number 63. How do you know they are prism? Because a prism has two ends that are the same shape and size. So we can write here. Prism two that are the same unit. That's enough for about prism. And after this, the second question inside, because I read on it. What are the other shape prism? So the remaining shape doesn't have those property which one have about prism. So right here, the remaining shapes don't have. Talking about the other shape. Okay, question number 6. Write the name of the shape and say whether it is a prism or a pyramid or neither or nothing both of them, or add the properties. Okay, let's start. Name of the shape. You can see the shapes cube, cylinder, triangular prism, hexagonal prism, and square base pyramid. And we need to write these are prism or neither or pyramid. So let's start. Write the name first of all. It's a cube, the easiest one, cube. And what about it's a prism? Obviously flat shape. We write here prism. Okay, how many edges? Okay, let us start to count. Okay, one. I will draw so you can understand what's the edge. This one, these lines. One, two, three, four. Four here, for this side. Eight, nine, 10, 11, and on one on the back. So four on the left side, this side, for this side, or and four and two on the front and two on the back. In total, there are 12 edges. So these lines are called edges, not corner. Corner are called vertex. So from one side to another side, these lines are the edges. So there are 12 in a cube. And how many faces? This one face which is in front of us. So obviously not all of them are shown. So its height, which one in front of us? Same like on the back. So three on the front and so three on the back also. So in a cube we have four, one on the left side, one up, two, one on the right side. Sorry, this side, this right and this left. One, two, three, and one down. Four, one on the front and one on the back. Six. So we have six faces in a cube. So and vertex, the corner, four, one, two, this one, two, this one, three, and four. Four on the front and four on the back. So in total we have eight corner, four on the front, four on the back. So right here, 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertex. So after the cylinder, the second shape, right? Cylinder. Okay, what about prism, pyramid? Nothing. Not prism, not pyramid. So we write here neither. Okay, edge. There we don't see any edge. It's zero because it's a curved surface. So zero, zero edge. And what about faces? So there are one up and one down. There are two faces. And vertex, no corner, no corner, zero corner. There is also, if we talk about, it has one curved surface and two faces and one curved surface. And vertex zero. The third one, triangular prism. We are writing triangular prism. Obviously, it's a prism. Okay, after this, their properties. How many edges? One, two, three, four. Just I draw it. Three on the front. One, two, three. Three here. Same like this, three on the back. Six and three uh, on the side. One, two, and one this corner. Three. So one on the front, three on the back, three, and in the center, three. So in total, we have nine edges. And what about faces? One on the front, one on the back, two faces, and three around. One here, and one down. So five faces in a triangular prism. And vertex, one, two, three, six vertex. Three back, three front, three on the back, and three on the front. So six vertex in a triangular prism. After this, we have another shape. It's a hexagon or hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism, obviously, it is not a pyramid, it's also a prism, flat surfaces. Okay, what about their edge? How many edges are there? Six in the center, six up, six down. So 18. There are 18 edges. The sixth line you can see on the upside. And same like this, upside six, so down side should be six. Six plus six, 12, and the six around one, two, three, four, and on the back five, and here six. So six, and in the center, six plus six, 12, 12 plus six, 18. What about faces? Six faces all around, like this one, and one up and one down. So six plus two, 8 faces for a hexagonal prism. And what about their vertex corners? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight here on the four on the back. 12. 12 vertex, you can say. After this, the last one, square base pyramid. square base pyramid. So it's a pyramid. Okay, what about their properties? So how many edges? One, two, three, which is in front of us. Four on the back. Four up and four as a square. You can see down. So four plus four, eight. So there are eight lines, eight edges, and after this faces, one down, and what about around four? So five in total. We have faces in a square base pyramid. Vertex four down and one up, five. Same like faces. So there are five faces and five vertex in a square base pyramid. Like this, we complete our table. Let's move to the next page. Question number 7. You will need a dice and a set of colored counters in two different colors. Take turn to roll the dice, and this is a student-based question. You just need a dice and throw it. It's according to you how much time you are throwing. So the result will depend on the throw of the dice. So each shape can have only one counter in it. Once a counter is there, it cannot be removed. So this is a learner-based answer. So you can use a dice. Okay, work with a partner, with your friend in the class, or in your home with your parents. Sketch a cube. Sketch two cubes join together. Choose another 3D shape to sketch. Name them. Not make overlap. Okay, you need to make separate. Okay, next, think like a mathematician. How many cubes would you need to make each of these rectangular prism? So you can count the cube. This is one box equal to one cube. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six on the front. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. There are 18 cube. So we can write here 18. In C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6. 12, 12 plus 6, 18, also 18. In C, there are 18 cubes. And in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 cubes. And here in D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 cube in D. Count the number of cube used each time. We counted already. Can you see the pattern or a rule? Choose a different number of a cube. How many different rectangular prism can you make? So until here finish, let's move to the next. There is not anything important. Question number 9. You will need some straw and something to stick the straw together, such as some plastic scenes or clay. Here are some shape you made from straw and clay. You can see the cuboid, square base pyramid, different shapes we can see here, and triangular prism. So use your straw to make some other 3D shapes. For example, you can see here different shape. Choose four of the shape that you have made, name them, draw them, and list their properties. You can make any shape like cube, cuboid. I just draw their pictures, like how to make a cube. Very easy. Just make two square and match their corner. But corner with the same corner. Down corner, down right corner with down right, upright up left, upright corner with upright, and up left with up left, and down with down. So this is a cube. We write the name cube, and their properties. It has flat. How many faces? Six faces. 8 vertex like this, and 12 vertex, no, 8, sorry, 8 vertex, and 12 the lines or edges like this cube, then cuboid, any shape in your mind you can make it and write their properties and name. Okay, check your progress, look around you, find two prisms, sketch and label them. So any shape about prism, flat surfaces with the flat surface, like cuboid, like cereal box. So you can make here any shape which is around you. The second, also sketch two 3D shape that are not prism or pyramid. They are different. Cylinder, it's not a prism and not a pyramid. I'm just writing the name. Cylinder and sphere, it's not a pyramid. Explain why they are not prism or pyramid. Actually, what is a prism? A prism is a 3D shapes with flat surfaces. In simple word, with flat surfaces, and a pyramid also 3D shape, but it has a polygon based and flat triangular faces. Flat surfaces in a prism and flat triangular faces in a pyramid. So for 2 and 3, you can say make the same answers and project for student base. So the student can do by himself. We will start the next unit in the next video. Goodbye.